Today we are going to talk about logical expressions. So here, let me create one new component called logical.jsx. Okay. So to create a new component, we can go with some shortcut key or AFCE. It's nothing but React arrow function exponent export component. Okay. Once you enter it, it will automatically generate that React arrow function component export. Okay, now so what we are going to learn, so we are going to learn about logical part, correct? So for that we need some basic things. So let me create one array instant, but it's nothing but books. Okay, instead of books I'm having books, book 1, book 2, book 3. Okay, now let me go inside the JSX, create one heading logical expression. Okay, below that let me open one expression. Inside the expression and check for the length, books dot length greater than 0. If it is more than 0, then we need to introduce the logical AND operator. So after that, whatever we are giving, whatever we are providing, that value will present if the condition is true. Okay, now I'm going to show you are having, so here books, right? Books dot length items in your cart, in your cart. Okay, this is how we need to say. So here we are trying to introduce we are trying to understanding the logical operator part. So now the component is ready, so we need to integrate in app.jsx. So let me go here and entering here, and then I'm trying, instead of adding like this, we can add directly from here. So if you add the logical, okay, logical, so if you do like this, select it, and go here and click here, using control space bar, it will automatically suggest this thing. Just click it, it automatically generating for you. This is how we need to import the logical thing. So now save the file and try to go here, see here, logical expression. So you are having 3 of items in your cart. So you are having 3 items in your cart, right? So 3 items in your cart. Okay, so let me remove one thing from this cart. Let's see what is the values coming. So it's dynamically changing 2 items in your cart. Okay, okay, let us create new component. Sorry, inside the component we can create one component. Okay, that is called switch for multiple choices. So jsx switch.jsx. Okay, let me create a component called switch. So RAFCE, that is React arrow functional export component. Okay, now we can clean up little bit here. I just remove this thing, it's not required, just this thing. Okay, now instead of this return also not required, because we are going to write some switch. Okay, here by default we are passing some status, correct? So status I'm keeping here as a prop, and here I will write the condition switch case. Switch, inside that we can pass some status. Okay, if switch state case, write the case if it is loading. Okay, then return paragraph, it's data loaded, or we can using data is loading like this. Okay, next case, what is the case? Success. If it is success, we have to return paragraph data loaded. Okay, next case, error, return Next, default return unknown status. Okay, so this is our switch statement. Okay, what I did, switch status I am passing. Status, if it is loading means it will show loading. If it is success means it should say data loaded. Error means it will show error on loading. Default means it will take unknown status. Okay, let us check this thing. Let us go to add.jsx. Here I am trying to integrate that switch component. Switch. Okay, here we need to pass the status. So by default we are not passing any status, right? So let us check here. See, it's showing unknown status, correct? It's showing the unknown status. This is the default one. So if I am passing status as loading, right? See, its loading is coming, correct? If I am passing success, it's showing data loaded. Okay, if I am passing error, then it's showing error on loading, correct? Then if I am giving empty, it's showing unknown status. Okay, this is how we need to pass. If we are fetching some API like that, if we are doing some progress means this is the way to easily identify the multiple conditions. Based on the status we can update it. So let me put here loading. So it's coming loading. Okay, thanks for watching.